the story very closely for you here on Times Now. Meanwhile, let's tell our viewers how the Commonwealth of Dominica will be bestowing its highest national award, the Dominica Award of Honor, upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Great honor they're coming in for India and India's Prime Minister, in recognition of his contributions to Dominica during COVID-19 pandemic and his dedication in strengthening the partnership between the two nations. Well, that's a big story that we are getting for you. There's another big feather in the cap of not just the Prime Minister, but the entire nation, that the COVID outreach, which was shown by India in other countries' time of need, has today resulted in this kind of recognition for India and its Prime Minister. This is for the contribution that India had made to Dominica during the COVID time, because remember, India was at the forefront of manufacturing two of the vaccines in India, and then it had launched vaccine Maitri, via which scheme it had helped countries throughout the world. Despite political opposition which did come in, there are other nations, however, who have hailed India's vaccine Maitri move. And remember, 40,000 vaccine donations were given to countries such as Guyana. Now, that's the big story that we are getting for you, and this has today led to an recognition of the contribution that India has made, the Indian government has made, even the Prime Minister specifically has made to Dominica during the COVID-19 pandemic under Vaccine Maitri scheme, by giving 70,000 vaccines for saving life in the midst of the COVID pandemic. This is the recognition which is coming in for India from global leaders and different nations. Well, let me go across to Pragya. Pragya, it's a great moment of pride for India, because at the end of it, India has tried to project itself as a global leader. But when it comes to nations which are facing a crisis like it did at the pandemic, India also hopes to project itself as the Vishwa Guru, but also the dost to every nation.
Well, I would say in the moment of crisis is you can see your true friends, and this is what India did when it helped countries who were not able to gather resources for itself during COVID. India became their true friend, and in fact India extended healthcare facilities. People say what is most important for them, for every country, is people and the lives of the people of that country. India exactly did that when it supplied 70,000 doses of AstraZeneca to Commonwealth Republic of to the Commonwealth Republic of Dominica. So this is the reason why they are acknowledging the action taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And in fact, Prime Minister had time and again said that we have to work together for a global well-being, and we need to come on same platform to help each other, to develop each other, to help each other in time of need as well. This is exactly what India did during time of COVID. And in fact, not just Dominica, there are many countries who had acknowledged the role of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and decision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to give the doses, the vaccination for COVID, and also other supplies that are needed by these countries without any condition. This is a gesture that has gone very well, and this is also a gesture that has established India as someone who can always come to the help without asking anything in return. And this particular gesture is also compelling those countries to acknowledge the kind of initiative that Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes. And this is, when these awards are given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it is also for the India as well.
Well, absolutely. I couldn't agree with you more. It's not just an honor to Prime Minister Modi, but also an honor for India. Let me go across to Pratibha. Pratibha, I believe you have reactions coming in.
Absolutely. This is the statement that has come in from the Prime Minister's office. Well, Meghna, India's efforts, the humanitarian efforts during COVID-19 had a lot of impact across the globe in COVID-19. And this is the press release from the PMO. It says the Commonwealth of Dominica will bestow its highest national honor, the Dominica Award of Honor, upon His Excellency Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India. in recognition of his contribution to Dominica during COVID-19 pandemic and his dedication to strengthening the partnership between India and Dominica. In fact, it goes on to mention the efforts that India had taken, saying in Feb 2021, Prime Minister Modi supplied Dominica with 70,000 doses of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, a generous gift which enabled Dominica to extend support to its Caribbean neighbors. This award also recognizes India's support for Dominica in healthcare, education and information technology under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, as well as his role in promoting climate resilience, building initiatives and sustainable development on a global level. In fact, it goes on to say that the Prime Minister has been a true partner to Dominica, particularly during our time of need amid a global health crisis. In accepting the award, the Prime Minister emphasized, and this is the Prime Minister's message after this honor was bestowed upon him. He has emphasized the importance of collaboration in tackling global challenges such as climate change and geopolitical conflicts, and affirmed India's commitment to working alongside Dominica and the Caribbean in addressing these issues. So this is the message that has come in the press release from the Prime Minister's office after the honor was bestowed upon the Prime Minister and the country, Meghna.
Well, absolutely. It's not just, as we've just been discussing, an honor to Prime Minister Modi. It is an honor to Bharat, a friend, a mitra to every nation which is facing one of their darkest hours of need. Thank you so much, Pragya, as well as Pratibha, for joining us. With that, we slip into a short break.